Hello everybody, I just thought I'd show you guys my computer build, so let's dig into it. This is obviously my case, and it's micro ATX, just so it's a bit nicer and smaller. Let's dig into it. Okay, so I do not have any extra cooling added anywhere, just so you know that. I have the power supply that came with the case, that is 550 watts. I am looking to buy this because I'm not sure my graphics card is running 100% stable with it, but I'll have to look into that. But let's dig into the specs. So this is obviously my motherboard, and I cannot remember what it is. It doesn't matter. It's micro ATX AM3, and here we have the processor. It's AMD Phenom quad core. I think it's the 840. Yeah, it's it's quad core, and it's pretty good, but it's good value for the money, but nothing fancy. And the RAM, I have 2 in there. You can see in the back, right there, and they're 8 gigabytes in total for each, and they're just DDR3 running at your standard frequency. And I've just installed a stock cooler, nothing aftermarket, nothing fancy. It works fine. Here I have my graphics card, which I've just recently installed. It's the GTX 560 Ti. At the moment it is running quite hot. While under full load it's probably about 85 degrees. So that's pretty bad, but so that's also why I'm looking into some cooling. Yeah. And let's go up to here, where I have my DVD drive and burner. Nothing fancy or anything like that about this. Then I have my SSD right here, and you might think, well, what? How is this an SSD? This is 3.5 inches. That's the normal hard drive size. But this is basically an adapter, so you can make you can fit a 2.5-inch SSD inside this, and it will work. And the last thing here is my this is a Kingston 128 gigabytes. And the last thing right here is my secondary hard drive, which is 1 terabyte, running at 7,200 RPM. Yeah, nothing fancy about that. That is pretty much it. I want to say thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed my little modest build right here. Bye bye.